Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Hello. We'll do our meditation to begin. That's right. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap and close your eyes. Feel for boom, 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 boom in your heart center. Move your right hand into your lap. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And let's begin our lesson. In this lesson, we're going to keep working with remainders for our division problems. So we're going to begin with some skip counting, which we haven't done in a little while. So today we're going to practice with 6s and 7s. So first, we're going to think about all of our multiples of 6. So if I have 6, and my next number is 12, and my next number is 18. What do you think my next number will be? 6, 12, 18. Not 20. Good. 24. What are we counting by?
29. 6.
Good. We're counting by 6, friends. We're counting by 6.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30 is my next number. Very nice job.
36.
Good job. 36.
37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42.
What is it?
42.
42. 42 is our next number.
And 48.
Good. And 48 comes after that.
49.
48.
And 54. 54.
Good. 54. We could use our finger trick because that one is 6 times 4. What's our last number?
60.
Good. It's 60. Very nice job, friends. So everybody, let's stand up. Let's do some counting together. Good. Do you want to jump or do you want to clap? Jump? Okay. Let's jump then on 30 and 60, okay? So on 30 and 60, you're gonna jump. Here we go. We're gonna go through all the numbers first, then we'll give everybody a number to work on. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Good. Let's do it again. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Very nice job, friends. Okay, Pack Boom. You're 6. Pot. Nadia. Pen Pen. Good. Prow. Nip. 36. Blacko. 42. Penguin. 48. Down. 2. Very nice job, friends. Okay. Let's go. Everybody say their number. Start us off.
6.
Good. Nice.
30, 32,
Good.
42, 48, 54, 50,
60.
60.
Great job, friends. Let's do it again. Go fast. Yep, get ready. Get ready for your neighbor. So when you hear your neighbor, you're next. Here we go. Start us off.
6, 12, 18, 36,
Good.
42, 60, 48, 50.
Very nice job, friends. Great job. Okay, everybody can take a seat. We're going to do 7s. We're going to do 7s. Here we go. See if you can help me with the numbers. 7, 14. Good job, friends. 21, 28, 35. It's on our board already. 42, good.
And 49.
49,
55. 56.
56,
And 70.
56.
60. 60.
Think about your numbers.
63.
63, good job. And 70. Okay, we're gonna jump on 70 and 35. Let's clap together. And if you wanna stand up and jump on 35 and 70, you can. Here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Good job. Don't forget, you can stand up on 35 and 70. Let's do it again. Here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Good. Okay. Okay, we're going to do our numbers this way this time, too. You're going to start us. 2. 7. Down. 21. 28. Need 35. Row. Good. Pot. 63. Okay, 2, start us off.
7, 14, 4, 21, 28, 35,
Pro.
42, 29, 56,
70, good, let's do it again. 2, start us.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35,
Good.
70.
Very nice job, friend. Okay, let's think about some other numbers. I have 4, 8,
12.
12. What's next? 16 and 20. Okay, what are we counting by? What number are we counting by? 4. Good. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Okay. Now I want you to think about this number. What number is this? 10. Okay, I want you to think about, is the number 10 greater or less than each of these numbers? Remember, greater than means more, less than means smaller. So is the number 10 greater or less than the number 4? 10 is more than 4? Good. What about 8? Is 10 more or less? More. What about 12? Less. Good job. And 16? 20? Very nice job, friends. We're going to play a little game later on where we need to think about if a number is more or less than our certain number here. So let's do a couple more practice ones. 6, 12. What number comes next? It's okay, not 16, a little bit higher. 18 and 24. Okay, let's think about the number 16. Is 16 greater or less than 6? Greater. Is it greater or less than 12? Greater. Is it greater or less than 18? Less than. What about 24? Less than. Very nice job, friends. Very nice job. What if we have 36, 42, and 49? Let's think about the number 45. Is it greater or less than 36? It's greater. Is it greater or less than 42? Greater. What about 49? Less than. Very nice job, friends. I think you got it. So we're going to play a game called Close. So we're going to be trying to get as close as we can to a number, but we can't go higher. We can't go greater than. So we'll do a practice one to get started, and then we'll see how to do it. So everybody is going to get some scrap paper. You're welcome. And we're going to play along together. So first thing you're going to do is pick up your pencil and let's write out some numbers. Let's do 4, 8, 12. Yep, you can write these on your paper. 4, 8, 12. What number is next?
16.
What are we counting by?
4.
4. What number is next?
18. 20.
20. That's cool. What number is next?
24.
24. Okay, good job, friends. So we're going to think about counting like this. We're going to count by 4s. And there's some more numbers we could put here, but for now we're just going to stick with these. And our special number is going to be 18. So we want to get as close to 18 as we can, but we can't go higher. So let's count together. Here we go. We want to get close to 18, but we can't go higher than 18. We can't have a number greater than 18. So let's do it together. Here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16. Should I stop there?
Yeah.
Yep, because 18 is our special number. We want to get as close as we can, but we can't go over. If we go to 20, that's too high. So how many fingers do I have? 4. So for 18, our special number is 4, okay? So 18 and 4. And you can write 18 with a square and 4 with a circle. Because we want to get close to that 18, but we don't want to go higher. If we go to 20, that's too high. So we want to get close, right at 16. That's our last number where we stop. And we counted 4 numbers. 4, 8, 12, and 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why we write our number 4. Okay, everybody got it?
Got it.
You got it?
No.
Finished?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do a couple. Don't worry, we'll do some more. Okay, let's count by 6s since we're practicing. 6. What comes next? What comes next? 12. We're counting by 6s, so we've got 12, 18, 24. Good. What's our next number going to be? 30. And then? 36. Okay, very nice. So our magic number that we're going to try to get to now is 25. 25. Okay? 25. Do you need more paper? You good on the paper? Okay. You got it? Okay, great. Okay, friends, here we go. Let's count. Count with me. 6, 12, 18,
24.
and we stop. Good, we stop. How many fingers? 4. So guess what our magic number is again? It's 4.
Again?
Yeah, it's 4 again. How funny. Because we have 6, 12, 18, 24. If I go to 30, is that higher?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't want to go to 30. We want to stop right at 24. And it happens to be 4 again. Good. Okay, here's some more. You're welcome. Need some more? I think you can do it. Need some more? Okay. There you go. If you have room on your paper, you can do another one. If not, we've got more paper. All right, friends, let's do another one. Okay. Okay, friends. Okay, we're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. This time, I'm not going to write our numbers. We're going to have to think about our numbers. So we're still going to do 6s. 6, 12, 18. What's next? 24. Good. 30, 36. Good. So think of those same numbers by 6s. This time our magic number is going to be 32. 32. If you want to write down 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30, and 36 on your paper, that's cool. You can do that. Or just think about it in your mind, and we're going to count together. We're going to try to get to 32 as close as we can, but we don't want to go higher. We don't want to go higher. We just want to get as close as we can.
12, 18, 24,
Yeah.
And the top.
You've got it on your paper, so you can take a look there. Let's count together. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and what? Stop! Why do we stop?
30.
Yeah, good, because 36 is too high. If we keep going, we're too far. Good. How many fingers did I have? 5. What's our magic number?
30.
What's our magic number?
5.
5. Good job. We stopped right at 30 because 32 is our special number. If we go to 36, that's too high. So we stop right at 30. And that was 5 fingers. Okay, good job, my friends. You got it. Let's do another one. We're still going to count by 6s, but our magic number is going to be 40. Okay? So let's think about how far we have to go with our skip counting, where we get as close as we can to 40, but we don't want to go higher than 40. We're going to do 6 again. So you don't have to write them. You can just think about it or look on your paper from our first time, and we'll count together. Ready?
Ready.
Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Is that higher? Okay, we have to go back. We have to go back. We are at 42 with 7, but 42 is higher, so we're going to go back to 6. 6. So our number we're looking for here is 6. You got it, friends. You got it. Good. Good job. Okay. If you need more paper, raise your hand. If you need more paper, raise your hand. You're welcome. Okay. There you go. You're welcome. Okay, this time, let's try with 7s. We're going to count by 7s. We're going to count by 7s. Do we need the numbers up here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, what number goes first if we're counting by 7? 7. 14.
21.
Good. 21.
28.
28. Very nice.
35.
35. Great job. Okay, let's stop there for now. So you can write this on your paper.
41. 42.
42, good. 42 would be next. So you can write this on your paper, or you can just look on our board with us. We'll add 42 since Pan Pan knows it so well. Okay. More paper, okay. Here you go. So we are going to look for our special number, 16. Okay? We don't want to go higher, but we want to get as close as we can to 16. Ready? Here we go. Let's count. 7. 14. And we stop. Why do we stop?
2.
Good.
It's higher.
Yeah, if we go to 21, that's too high. So we want to stop right at 14. You got it, friends. We're going to stop right at 14, because 7, 14, we're finished. Okay, let's do another one, our magic number. It's going to be a little higher. We're going to count by 7s again. This time we're going to look for 36 to be our number, okay? So you don't have to write the numbers again. You can just look on the board. If you wrote them the first time, sit up, my friends. And look at them the first time. Good job. You don't have to write it. That's cool. You don't have to write it. So we're gonna look for 36 this time. Here we go. That's good. Yeah, you don't have to write the numbers again. You can just. Okay, you think 5?
Yeah.
All right, let's count. Here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and stop. Good. Why do we stop?
35 is 42 is higher.
Yeah, we stop at 5
Teacher, finish.
because if we keep going to 42, that's too high. Good job. Good job, friends. Okay, we're going to do just a couple more.
There
There you go. Raise your hand if you need more paper.
Teacher, one more.
I think we'll do 2 more. More paper. There you go.
Teacher, no more paper.
Okay, friends, we're gonna stick with 7s, but we're gonna erase from our board. We're gonna erase from our board. So we're gonna count, we're gonna stick with 7s. So we're gonna still count 7, 14, 21. This time we're looking for the number 45. 45, so what's our special number?
Fifth for me, please.
So you don't need to write all your 7s out again. If you have them on your paper, you can look, or you can try to remember them. So we're gonna get ready to count. We wanna go to 45 as close as we can, but we don't wanna go too high. Here we go. 7, 14, good. 21, 28, 35, 42, 42, 56 is a little bit higher.
Stop.
Why are we stopping? Good, friends. We're stopping right at 6. Because if we go to 7, that's 49, and that's too high. So we're just going to stay right at the number 6. We have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. So we're going to stop right there. If we go to 49, that's too high. So it's not 7. We want to stay at 6, where we get close, but we don't go too high. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. We're going to count by 7s again. Raise your hand if you need more paper. Okay, we're going to go by 7s again. So think about your 7s. You can look on your paper. We're going to try to go to 55, okay? 55. So we're going to go to 55. Are you ready to count with me?
Yep.
Here we go. 7. 14. 21. 28. 35. 42. 49.
Stop.
Why do we stop? Why do we stop at 49?
It's higher.
What was our next number going to be? 56. Is 56 higher than 55?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're not going to go to 8. We're going to go back. Back to 49. And what's our number? 7. Very nice job, friends. It's 7. So we're going to take a little break so we can stretch. Everybody stand up. Stand up, friends. Stand up. Okay, put your arms up high over your head. Stretch out all your fingers. Good job. Put your arms in a T. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Come up halfway. Pretend your arms are very heavy. Swing them around. Very good. Stand up nice and tall. Let's do it again. Put your arms up high and stretch out all your fingers. Put your arms in a T. Touch your toes. Come up halfway and swing your arms. Pretend they're very heavy. Good. And stand up nice and tall. Turn to a neighbor. Turn to a neighbor. Find a neighbor. Tell that neighbor hello. Hello with your other hand. Shake two hands with your neighbor. Give your neighbor one high five up top. Give your neighbor two high fives down low. Shake one hand with your neighbor. Give your neighbor a pat on the back. Pat your neighbor on the back. Just give your neighbor a nice pat on the back. Just like this. Just like this. Just pat your neighbor on the back. Yep. Okay, give your neighbor two high fives down low. Give your neighbor one high five up top. Shake one hand with your neighbor. Give your neighbor a spin. Spin your neighbor. Get a spin for yourself, or you can do the double spin if you can. Good job, friends. Okay, tell that neighbor thank you. And you're welcome. Very nice job. Let's do 3 little claps. 3 little spins. 3 little jumps. 3 little steps. 3 big steps. 3 big jumps. 3 big claps. 3 big spins around. Okay, everybody can take a seat. Okay, we're gonna keep going with our number game, but we're gonna do it a little bit differently. So we'll see. Raise your hand if you need more paper.
Me no. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Me no. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so write small, friends, so you have room on your paper again. We're gonna try to do our game again, but we're gonna add some other numbers, okay? So let's count by 7s again. We're gonna count by 7s. And let's look for the number 38. 38, okay? We're gonna count by 7s again. So you can look on your paper where you have 7s before. You don't have to write them again. So we're gonna count by 7s. We wanna get as close as we can to 38, but we don't wanna go higher. 38 is our number we're looking for. Here we go, friends. What's our first number? Counting by 7s. 7, 14.
21, 28.
Good.
35.
What do we do? We stop at 35. Why do we stop at 35? Good. Why do we stop there? What's our next number after 35? That's too high. Good. So we're going to stop right at 38. What's our number? 1, 2, 3, 5. So our number is 5. But this time, we're going to do a little bit differently. So we've got 35. We're going to count by ones. 36, 37, 38. How many fingers? 3. So we're going to write 5R3. Just like that, because we counted by sevens. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. We want to stop right there because if we go to 42, that's too high. So we're going to stop at 35 and we're going to count by ones, 36, 37, 38. So that's how we get 5 with a remainder of 3. Okay. Let's do 43 this time. Okay? We're going to count by sevens again.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're going to count by sevens again. Here we go. Let's count by sevens. Count with me. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and we stop at 42. How many fingers? 6. How many do we have left over? We stopped at 42, and we're just going to count 43. Yeah, so it's just R1. 6R1. Because we counted by sevens till we got to 42, which was 6 numbers. And we count by ones to get to our bigger number, 43, which is just 1. So that's our remainder. Okay? We'll still count by sevens. Still count by sevens, right small. Okay, we're going to count by sevens again. Here we go. 7, 14. What's our third number? 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. And we stop there?
Yeah.
Why?
53, no more.
Good, we don't want to go higher. Good job. How many fingers do we have? 7. 7, so that's our big number. What about our remainder?
4.
Why? Why is it 4?
49.
50, 51, 52, 53. Very good job, friends. So we count by sevens till we get as close as we can without going too high. Then we stop. Then we count by ones until we get to our number. And we have 4 because 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So that's how we get our answer. Got it, friends? So we're going to count by 6s this time. So you can look on your paper or you can try to remember. Good, like 6, 12, 18. So we're going to look for the number 40. And we're going to see how close we can get. We don't want to go too high. We just want to get very close. Then we're going to count by ones. Okay, here we go. 6, 12, 18, 20, 24, 30, 36. Is that 40?
No. Stop.
We stop at 6?
41.
Why not 42? Why do we stop at 6?
Higher than 40.
Good, because it's higher than 40, so we're going to stop right at 6. We've got 6. What about our remainder? We stopped at 6. Good. Let's count. 37, 38, 39, 40. So we have 4. We have 4. 6R4. Good job, friends. Let's do another one. You're good? Okay, let's stick with 6s. We're gonna count by 6. Let's go to 50. Okay, we're gonna go to 50. Let's count. Are you ready? We're gonna count by 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Why do we stop? If we keep going, it'll be too high. So how many fingers do we have? 8. We have 8. And what's our remainder?
R2.
Why is it 2?
48, 49, 50.
Good, because we stop at 48. So we count 49, 50. So we count 49, 50. We're gonna do just 2 more, friends. 2 more. 2 more. We'll stay with our 6s. We'll stay with 6s. We're gonna go to 20. We're gonna go to 20. Good. So think if you can do that one on your own. Take a minute, count in your head. We're gonna count 6, 12. Get as close as you can. Yep, we're gonna stay with 6s. So you wanna get as close as you can to the number 20, but you don't wanna go too high. You wanna get very close, but not too high. So you're gonna count by 6s. Get close. You're gonna stop. And you're gonna count by 1s till you get to 20. Good, so count by 6s so that you get close to 20. And then what about the R? Very good. Is it 7 though? R7. You want to just count by 1s. 4? Yep. Okay, let's do it together, friends. What's our number here? 3, because we have 6, 12, 18. So we're gonna stop, and we count by 1s. 19, 20. So what's our R? R2. R2. We count by 6s. We stop at 18. And we go by 1s all the way to 20. Okay, let's do another one. Try it on your own. Try it by yourself. We're gonna stay with 6s. $34. Okay? You're gonna count by 6s. Think in your mind. And you wanna get as close as you can to 34, but you don't wanna go too high. 6. 6. By 6s. So you're gonna count by 6s, get as close as you can, and you're gonna stop and count by 1s until you get to 34. 6. Yeah. 5? This is good. What about your R? Think about the R. And think about your R. Very nice. Nope. A little bit higher. Okay, a lot of our friends have some good guesses. What's our answer, friends? 34. So we count by sixes. We've got the number 5, because 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Oh, that's too many. So we want to stop at 5 at 30. Then we're going to count by ones, 31, 32, 33, 34. So we have 5 R4. Very nice job, friends. Thanks for joining us for our math lesson today. Everybody say goodbye.